We got a 2022 BMW M3 Nardo gray paint job with the blackout edition trim on there. You got the black tips, black carbon, non-carbon diffuser, just straight black powder coated. And then we got the stock muffler on there, and then we got a couple different things we're doing today. We're running a valve controller on this thing. You see Berto tucking it up right now. That's so the valves on these cars can open up all the way. Porsche and BMW have this very common problem that the valves don't open all the way. They only open up 50%. So if you want more sound, you get this valve controller, it'll open up all the way 100%. So you get a little bit more sound out of it, which is pretty sweet because the stock muffler is actually pretty damn good from BMW. So besides the valve controller, we get a little bit more sound out of that. And then we're doing a custom midsection from Valvetronic. All right, Valvetronic has a pretty sweet mid pipe for these cars. It's a 3.5-inch mid pipe all the way through. It comes 2 out the back, 2 to the front. All right, so 2 to 1 to 2, and then it splits to the back to the rear muffler. So this is a pretty massive mid pipe. They bring you a nice little plate to give you better clearance on the midsection because the pipe is so damn big. And it should sound pretty sweet because we got rid of both resonators, as you guys can see right there. Both resonators gone. Got the midsection upgraded. The equalization from the 2 to 1 to 2 actually makes these cars sound a lot better. It gives you a nice clean deeper tone. It equalizes the midsection and gets you a little bit more performance. Should make about 15 to 20 horsepower just on mid pipe alone. So if you guys are interested in something like that, just hit us up, DM us, throw a comment in the chat part area, and let us know. And if you got an M3, reach out, we got you. BMW all done. Got this M3 slapped up with a custom mid pipe by these guys, Valvetronics. All right, got the midsection 2 to 1 to 2, pretty sweet setup. And then we got the valve controller tucked up. I'm gonna zip tie these a little bit better, and then I'm gonna crank it for you guys so you guys can hear it. Berto, give me a crank real quick. With the mid pipe. Sounds pretty damn sweet already, guys. So a factory setup with just a mid pipe, cold start sounds like that. So this is a valve controller. It comes with a little remote so you can put it on your keychain. And as you can see, that's the valve right there. I'm gonna hit it. Boom, wide open. Boom, closed. You guys can hear it. Listen to the sound difference. Boom, boom. Sounds sick, guys. I'm gonna show you guys what the revs sound like now with the valves open, the valves closed. Berto, give me a rev. All right. Valves closed. Hit it. Quiet, guys. Pretty sweet. I mean, if you could get that kind of control out of an exhaust system, it's pretty pimp. So valve controller installed, mid pipe installed. This thing's gonna make power and it's gonna sound sweet, and you can control the level of sound that you're getting out of this. So highly recommended on your M3, M4, 3 Series, 4 Series, 5 Series, 6 Series, 7 Series, all of them. Valve controllers worked on it, guys. So we're gonna drop it, bring it around the shop, show you guys it up front, and we out. So that was the BMW M3, got the G80 body, looking sweet, sounding sweet. Customer was extremely happy. So we did the mid pipe by Valvetronic and got the valve controller on there, which I highly recommend for all your BMWs. So if you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, throw it in the comments below. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and we're doing BMWs like this all day, guys. Gexhaust out.